Hi, I am going to be using the rest of my hair mask that I made from fenugreek seeds, aloe vera gel, coffee grinds, and I'm going to be adding some coconut milk in there. My audio did go off. I don't know what happened, so I'm just going to be doing the best I can and just let you know the benefits to what this does for your hair. I also am going to be using a rice bar shampoo, which is very beneficial for hair growth, for hair strands, hair follicles, and helping with hair frizz. And the benefits are just ongoing. And fenugreek is really good for your scalp. It helps with dander, it helps with promoting hair growth, hair strands as well. And it has a lot of vitamins in there and minerals as well as the rice bar shampoo. Some of the benefits for coffee grounds in your hair. It can offer several benefits, including stimulating hair growth, improving scalp circulation, and acting as a natural exfoliant. Caffeine in coffee grounds can help stimulate hair follicles, potentially encouraging faster growth and reducing hair loss. And aloe vera gel offers several benefits for the hair as well, including promoting hair growth, moisturizing the scalp and hair, and helping to reduce dander and help itchiness. It can help strengthen hair, protect it from damage, and improve its overall texture. And some of the benefits for apple cider vinegar may offer the benefits for hair, including balancing pH levels, reducing frizz, and removing buildup. It can also help with scalp health by combating bacteria and fungus, potentially relieving itchiness and dandruff. Additionally, some believe ACV can enhance shine, strengthen strands, and promote hair growth. And some benefits for coconut milk. It offers moisturizing, strengthening, and promoting growth for the hair. It's rich in vitamins and which helps penetrate the hair shaft and enhance its strength and shine. Coconut milk can also help reduce frizz and manage hair, and those with wavy and curly hair are benefited from this uh, mask. So I am taking this rice milk, the rice bar, and I am washing my scalp, and it really sets up really good when you lather it up with your hands, and it does have a very soft feeling to it. I love the way it makes my hair feel. Rice bar shampoo promotes hair growth, providing gentle cleansing and using natural environmental friendly ingredients. And it could help with strengthening your hair. It can help maintain a healthy scalp. It does have protein in the rice and has been shown to increase hair volume by 20% after 5 washes. Now, that's just kind of a vague study, but that is just something that it is really good for your hair. Now, you really want to wash, get into your scalp with the fingertips, not your nails, and really just scrub all over your scalp. Now, I do go through my hair, but I am very, very gentle and I don't manipulate my hair too hard. But I do want to get some of the oils that I've had in my hair and the leave-in conditioners. So I just make sure that I wash throughout my hair. And then I rinse really well, really thoroughly. Then I use a really soft towel, which I have in my hair now. And I am going to be using some of my favorite leave-in conditioners. One of them is Pantene. It's Miracle Rescue 10-in-1 multitasking spray. And then I am going to also be using the Kristen ESS leave-in conditioner. It's a weightless shine for all hair types, detangling, softening, strengthening, moisture sealing, shine enhancing. And then I also am going to be using Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Leave-In. This is more of a cream. And this is the Miracle Nectar Honey Treasures. And this is for all hair types, 10-in-1 as well. This is almost gone. I'm going to let my hair air dry. And I will show you what my hair looks like. I am not going to straighten it with the blow dry or anything. I just want to have a natural wave today. And I will be back when my hair dries. Now I'm going to be putting the Aussie Miracle curls in my hair while it's dry. There's a slight damp to it, but not much. It says to apply to dry hair, so. Then I'm going to scrunch it. That smells amazing. I love anything from Aussie. The mask, shampoo, conditioners. And it usually is really good for people with curly to wavy hair to bring back that natural wave. And hopefully you did enjoy this video and I can give you some products to help with your natural wave and some DIY hair mask. If you would like to comment, like, subscribe, I would appreciate any feedback, anything that you use, if you've tried any of these products in your hair. Until then, I hope you have a great, wonderful day, and it is so beautiful outside. Have a